Okay. So this is the beginning process right now, as you can see. Unwrapping process of the VITACCI Venture Go-Kart. Not the Ventura, but that's the Ventura Highway for California, but this is the Venture Go-Kart. As you can see right now, that heavy metal crate. So again, this is what you guys can expect when you do order this online. So there's a lot involved. If you're not confident in setting something like this up, just hire a mechanic to do it or somebody that knows how to do it properly. Again, this is the VITACCI Venture EFI full-size go-kart. And this is supplied by both VITACCI and Apollo. All right. So Tyson's in the process of loosening the crate, the metal crate. What size are you using there, the socket there?
14 mil.
14 millimeter on this one. 14 millimeter, you guys. From top to bottom. Again, the top will be removed.
We need a few more bolts in here.
You think? Did it change to a 14, you said?
What's that?
You said you were using a 14 socket?
Yeah, this is a 14.
Okay. Let's open up the roll-up door.
Okay.
Let's Okay, so we got the top off, as you saw earlier. Tyson loosening all the nuts and bolts. Now he's doing the side pieces on here. Okay, so we are at the unpacking phase. We got the top and all the sides of the cage off. This is what you can expect. So there is a lot of work, you guys. If you have the opportunity of purchasing this, unless you enjoy this type of process. Now, so far we haven't found any assembly instructions, which is pretty much the status quo with most of the Chinese ATVs that are shipped crated boxed. So keep that in mind before ordering one of these online. It's quite a process. Okay, so we've had the slow unpacking. As you can see, we got the wheels out. We do pack the wheels over here inside. And you got the rest of the parts that are packed up with bubble wrap This is what you guys can expect. Got the seats over here. Are these seats, are they mounted?
I think these are, the seat backs are over there.
All right, so that's the seats, you guys. This is the way it's gonna look. These here were packed inside the seating area here, and then we got the seats. Okay, you guys, now you can see how far we are now into the process. So you can see the bone, the skeleton here of the go-kart. Again, it's the VITACCI Venture 200 EFI. Look at all the parts here. Look at all the working parts. These are labeled actually in the bags here. They've actually labeled them. It's getting better. So until further notice, we'll keep updating you guys on the process. You can see here. And this is the manual that the Venture 200 EFI comes with. So no pictures, but there's some information inside. Okay, so we're gonna remove it from its crate slowly. Now, you guys at home have your own different method of doing that. Now, we're a commercial shop, so we have different tools and equipment to do that right now. So keep that in mind. Just be the most resourceful and do it the most efficient way. Okay, you guys, so this is wrapping up the unboxing of the VITACCI Venture 200 electronic fuel injection go-kart. As you can see, we got some of the control arms already on. Hope you guys are well, and we'll see you guys soon. Find me on Instagram at Scooter ATV Sales. Take care.